Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm back with more videos on machine learning. Up till now we have gone through many videos on machine learning such as drowsiness detection using Python, then facial emotion recognition using Python using webcam, then facial emotion recognition using from image, then detection of age and gender using Python on webcam, then detection of gender using webcam, then hand tracking using Python, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really interesting. We are going to detect yawning using Python. For that, let us go through the drowsiness file. All these are required libraries that need to be imported. Sound, which is required, yawning is detected, then eyes ratio, then ear at the yawning age, ear will also increase, sound will also increase because you are yawning. Then lip distance, that is very important in case of yawning because you are and this is all for alert wave, that sound which will flash. Then loading the predictor, then cascade classifier, it is used for detecting the face, shape detector, webcam, and rectangle which needs to be created at the face, then counter if eyes and this thing, and that's all. Now here at the last, if the yawning is detected, then it will state yawning alert. Sound will also be there and it will flash on the webcam, that's why put text is there. Then on the frame will be displayed in front of image, then Q to exit and destroy all window to close all window. And I will execute the program now. Yes, it is detecting. Yes, yes. Not getting exactly. Yes, I will move here. Yes, it's detecting. Yes, 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 yes. Now
Caution. Manual. Fuel.
it is saying drowsiness is alert, detecting.
Caution. Manual. Fuel.
Ears are also increasing, yawning is also increasing. If I close, then no alert.
Caution. Manual. Fuel.
So I have successfully detected yawning using Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.